Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to figure out how to pick the kettlebell up to our rack position and put it down with one hand. This is a bridge technique to learning the clean. The clean is an exercise that people have a lot of difficulty learning because if they catch in the wrong position, then they end up hurting themselves. And if people continue to hurt themselves for long enough, they stop training and they don't reach their goals. This technique is just a bridge technique, which is done as people are learning the clean the first time. Step up to the kettlebell, feet pointed straight ahead, because that's the way we walk, and that's going to allow us to transition into stepping patterns later on. When you stand up, put your weight in your heels, straighten your legs all the way out. Tuck your tailbone underneath to squeeze your glutes, drive your rib cage down to hollow out your core and to activate your abs. This standing structure is like a standing abdominal plank position. We're creating tension so that when we hold the weight at the top, the whole body supports it equally. We're gonna get down. We're gonna grab the kettlebell with one hand. The other hand is gonna support underneath it. Stand up, get the kettlebell up to our shoulder, and we're gonna get to our rack position. The important part here is the handle. This is why we're doing this. We're picking it up with two hands because people are gonna pick it up wrong in the beginning, and we're gonna give ourselves this opportunity to get to our correct position. Our rack position with a kettlebell differs from barbell, differs from dumbbell, differs from club. The important part is that the fingers are pointed straight up towards the sky and the wrist is flat. If the kettlebell is in the wrong position, this will hurt over time. Figure out how to lift up the bell, get it to the correct position. The L of the hand goes to the corner, the L of the kettlebell. If there is a gap here, it will not work over time. Adjust it to get it to the correct position. 45-degree angle down. It will be resting below our joint. If the ball of the kettlebell is resting directly on our joint, then we need to get a better kettlebell that fits our body. Competition kettlebells are all one size and shape regardless of weight, and they work for the greatest number of people. So if you don't have a kettlebell yet, I would lean you towards getting a competition kettlebell. Now we are going to set the kettlebell down, straighten your arm all the way out, point your thumb to the back, set it all the way down. Change grip in the beginning. Two hands, thumbs point straight ahead. Pick it up to our rack position. Adjust until we are at our 45-degree angle. Thumb at the height of our collarbone. Straighten your legs, squeeze your glutes, pull your belly button in. Touch this hand to help you figure out where it's at. Straighten it out. Arm perfectly straight, thumb points back. Set the weight all the way down. Pick it up with two hands, get it up, check your handles in the right position, check your wrist, elbow close to hip bone. Arm perfectly straight, thumb points back, set the weight down. Repeat for an equal number on the opposite side. Dominant hand is now the left hand. Right hand is now going to support. Pick it up. Left thumb equal with left collarbone. Left elbow towards left hip. Grip correct. Left hand, straighten the arm all the way out. Set it down with good technique. Start over. The goal is eventually to pick it up with two hands, put it down with one hand. Right hand dominant. Right shoulder, right elbow to right hip. Straighten the arm out. Go down. Change sides. Left hand, pick it up. Squeeze the leg, squeeze the glute, pull the ab in. Straighten the arm out. Get it all the way down. Right hand, pick up. Straighten the arm out. Get it down. Left hand, pick up. Squeeze the glutes, abs in. Straighten the arm out. Get the weight all the way down. This is a small micro lesson meant to help people learn to get to the top rack position better. If your rack position is good, then you can move on to more advanced exercises. Until you can figure out how to get your elbow in, your wrist flat, and the kettlebell in the correct position, continue to do this exercise at the beginning of every training session. It could be as simple as doing 5 on each side. So we're picking it up with two hands for safety, and then you're trying to figure out how to get your thumb pointed back and your arm straight to set it down with good technique. Pick it up again with two hands, straight arm on the way down. The goal of this is to help you learn what it feels like to have the kettlebell in the correct position so that you can then move forward to more advanced techniques in the future.